Hello everyone. This is the last episode of this series that we are doing with Advanced Health System, and in today's episode we will just create a progress bar. Currently we have a number that is representing our HP. Some people want it, some people don't. If you are one of the people that want to have a health bar, I will show you how to do it. Okay, so if you were following all these tutorials, you will have everything set up and working. And the thing that we need is just to open our HUD. And here I have a text, but I will also make so I can have a progress bar. So we can go here into palette and get a progress bar. I will put the progress bar just below the numbers. I will also anchor the progress bar to the bottom. So when I resize and change the resolution, it's not gonna change. And I'm gonna do it like this. And this progress bar, we can put the fill color to be a green, and that should be fine. So if we go ahead and fill it a little bit, we can see it's okay. Perfect. And now what we need to do with this progress bar is we need to make it so it's connected to the logic. So our variable for current health and max health are gonna do the calculation so we can fill the progress bar. Also here, make sure progress bar is a variable and I can call it health bar. And if we go to the graph now, because we set it as a variable, now we have a variable and it's called health bar. And we can make this system much cleaner, and we can have a system for the number and system for the progress bar. For now, I will first clean up this code to make you see how you can fix this code and just like make it cleaner, you know, by having less things on your screen, because when the game grows, this thing becomes like a big sausage. So let's go ahead and create update health event. So custom event. We'll call it update health number. And here, you see we have a lot of things. So what I'm gonna do is I will copy this like that. And I can just plug it here, get health reference and get current health. I could do this and this would work, but I can also do something else. I can do this. And what this is going to do is if I call the update health here, I will be able to put the current health inside of it. So I can do that. I can do the other way. But I just think this is cleaner way of doing it. Okay. So it would be cleaner way for here, but it wouldn't be cleaner way for here. So I'm just gonna do entire logic. We can remove this like this. I'll just do entire logic here. Current health. So we can have this little piece of code that we can reuse anywhere. So if I go here, I can just type in update health number. And that's it. And now I can connect this. And here on the event, on the health changed, I don't need this anymore. I can again reuse update health number, which is great. So you see we made it so much cleaner now. Okay, we can go and test if that works. And I have here my progress bar that is meant to not be working yet. But as you can see, my health is decreasing and updating the number. So this works. Okay, so now we will also create update, so custom event, another one, update health bar. This will be for the progress bar. So we have a progress bar here. We can also set percent. This is how we make the bar fill. So as you can see here, if we go into the progress bar, we have this percent, and this is how we fill the bar, like this. And we need a calculation to make it work. So we will need our health reference, we will need our current health, and we will need our max health. And what we need to do here is we need to divide it. Oh, not this. So divide like that. And now we can have this custom logic working, and we need to also plug it in, because now it's not plugged in anywhere. We need to plug it just like we did for the update health. So we can update health number, health bar, sorry. And we can also put it here. We need to update it, because if we don't put it here, it's not gonna update when the game starts. It's gonna update only when the health changes. So if I play now, my bar is 0, but if my health changes, it updates. But I want it to update right off the bat. So update health bar. And now that we did this, it should be working perfectly. So as you can see, it updated instantly. I have 20 HP. If I go ahead and heal, my bar is gonna fill. If I go ahead and take some damage, my bar is also gonna be updated. I can also pick up this. So this system is very reusable and very clean, and I really like this. So this was all for today. This was my entire advanced health series. We went through everything, I believe. If there is something that we didn't go through, you can let me know in the comments, and I will try to cover it also for this series. But I think this is all that it has to do with health. If you have any future ideas, just let me know. So thank you for watching, guys, and goodbye.